I took the 5.7 out of the Searay that hadn't been ran for 5 years, and I stuck it in this boat, and now it's running in this boat. There's that same engine. Changed the belt system a little bit. This is an Alpha, and it used to be a Bravo, so it had a big water pump down there in the corner. Picked that out and got an Alpha belt. Just like in the Searay, everything's reading good. Some rattle coming from one of the pulleys. This is a 2000 rinker 212. It was full of water, and I changed the motor. The motor was all locked up and busted hole in the block and whatnot, and got a different trailer for it and whatnot. Another little project boat, another freebie. Sometimes you don't get them with running engines. That's just the way the cookie crumbles. Alrighty. There she is. Several more where that came from. There's the Maxim. Whoop! Don't see that. Haven't done part 2 yet. Later.